Hello everyone, in this video we'll be making a radar system. For this, you will be needing Arduino, ultrasonic sensor, servo motor, some jumper cables, breadboard and double-sided tape. First, we'll get the 5V and VCC connection on the breadboard so that we can provide it to servo motor as well as sonar sensor. The other thing is we'll connect the signal pin of servo motor to pin number 12. The circuit diagram is in the description. You can check it out there as well. After that, we'll be connecting the VCC and ground of ultrasonic sensor. And we'll paste the ultrasonic sensor on top of the servo motor. After that, the connection of ultrasonic sensor on the Arduino will be done. That is, a trigger will go to pin number 10 and echo will go to pin number 11. Now connect the Arduino to computer and open Arduino IDE. The link for code are given in the description. Copy the code, paste it on the IDE, compile the code and upload it on your board. After that, you will need another software, that is processing. You can use 3 or 4, and using processing 4 you can even use processing 3. Now the program code for processing 3 is also there in the description. Copy the code and paste it in the processing 3 or 4. After that, in line number 19, just change comport. Since my Arduino is connected to comport 9, so I am kept it as comport 9. Now you can write it according to your connection. If it's connected in some other comport, then change the comport number. After that, upload the code, and now you can see that our system is working and the ultrasonic sensor is able to detect the object in front of it. It also shows the distance from the sensor and at what degree the object is kept.